Okay, just going to put some plaster on it now. Let me get it up behind there a little bit. Okay. Thanks. Okay, I'm just building up slowly into a round shape for this light here to push back up, and just building this middle section up. I've got a little bump here, so I've cut that out. That hole's pretty well right now for the light, so I'll just fill this up. I'm just putting the light back up now. Just going to push these clips back in, up, and try and get the light back into place. Okay, so that's not too bad. I'll plaster up to that, and that'll come up okay. Thanks. Yeah, so about time to polish up and final float off, so it's turned out okay that. Just coming up for final polish here. Doing around that light. Just filled that hole up that was here, and just floating it out now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. We had a big hole around that light there, and I put a bit of backing board up above it and plastered slowly up around that light until the light fitted back in, and the clips held it back up, and I just trailed closely around it towards the end, so it should be pretty solid now and come up quite good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Take care, all the best. Thanks, bye bye.